નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 3rd. Subject Environment. Chapter number 3. Water or Water.
Good morning, students. How are you all? See, we all know that how important water is in our life. Means we cannot do our daily routine without water. And can you imagine your life without water? Can you live even a one day without water? We can't live. And do you know, in our body also 70% is water. So if we don't get enough water, then our body will get dehydrated. So to save our body from getting dehydrated, we need to drink lots of water. So in the other words, we can say water is our life. So in this chapter, we will also learn about water, but through the poem. So let's start our chapter number 3, Water or Water.
So now we will see the importance of water through this poem. Okay, so let's start. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. Water is precious. It means we should not waste water because water is very precious. In the other words, water is our life. We can't live without water. So, water is very precious. Tip, tip, tip. Oh, the water falls, overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. See, when there is a rainfall, we can hear the sound of water as tip, 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 right? And when there is a heavy rainfall, then it overflows the rivers, ponds and lakes, right? And this extra water of the rivers goes into the sea. Waves of ocean gallop like a horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. See, you have seen the waves of oceans, right? How does it looks? It looks like a gallop of horse. Gallop means the speed in which the horse runs. Okay? Don't waste water. Water is precious. Taking form of icebergs on hilltops, boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. See, as you know, there are the three forms of water. There is solid, liquid and gas, right? So, the liquid form is water itself and its solid form is ice. And the gaseous form is when we heat the water, it turns into steam. It is called its gaseous form, right? See, there are some of the countries that are covered with ice. And do you know why they are covered with ice? Because the heat of the sun doesn't reach there. Okay? So, when we boil the water, it turns into the vapor. Keeping singing the song of springs, water is life, water is precious. Means keep singing the song of the spring. Because water is life and water is very precious. Precious means कीमती, अनमोल. Giving life to crops, plants and trees. Running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. See, as we have seen that crops or plants or trees can't grow without the water. They need water to grow. So, water is life for them. And as you know that in the human body also 70% is there water. So, water is our life. And it also feeds animals and birds. Nourish means to feed. So, it also feeds the animals and birds. Water is life. Water is precious. So for all of these plants, trees, human beings, birds, animals, for all of these, water is their life and water is very precious. During drought, there is stress. Life seems to be in pain. Drought means when there is a rainfall or less rain, it is called drought. So during drought, there will be less water on the earth, right? So there will be the scarcity of water. So our life will be in pain because we don't get enough water for us, right? During floods, there is a threat and fright. A well tap, a hand pump filled with water. Floods means when there is a heavy rainfall, then the water of the river comes into the cities and villages, that is called flood. So when there is a flood, then we will be afraid, na? See, a well tap, a hand pump filled with water. This rainwater goes into the ground. And how can we use this groundwater? We can use it through the well or hand pump, right? Water is life. Water is precious. So we have seen in this how water is important for us or precious for us. Okay. I hope you have understood this poem, and this poem is written by Raju Kag.
I think you all have understood the poem or the importance of water in our life, right? Now we will do some exercise. See, there is given one question. What are the different kinds of effects of water mentioned in the poem? Means the different effects of water that is said in the poem. So you have to find this from the poem. Okay. Here they have given different. See, here there are 5 effects in the poem, but I have written 3 of it. The rest of the 2 you have to find by yourself. See, the number 1 is waves of ocean gallop like a horse. See, this is the effect of water. Means how the waves of ocean looks. Means the gallop of the horse. The next one is water gives life to the crops, plants and trees. This one you know, na? The plants, then crops and trees can't grow without the water. They need water to grow, right? The third one is water causes stress during drought. Drought means when there is less rainfall. So when there is the less rainfall, we will be in the stress, right? So now rest of the 2 effects you have to find it from the poem by yourself. Now see the next question. That is, take the activities for which water is needed. Means here are some of the activities. You have to find out in which activity you need water and which are the activities that you can do without water. So let's start it. The first one is to play. Do we need water to play? No. To write? Do we need water to write? Do we need water to run the fan? No. We need electricity to run the fan, right? To sing. Do we need water to sing? No. We need only our throat or the mouth, right? To make tea. Can we make tea without water? So, no. We need water to make a tea. So, put a tick mark here. So, now the next one is to paint pictures. Do we need water to paint a picture? Yes. paint a picture, we need water, then colors, brush, paper, right? So, put a tick mark here. To row a boat. You all know that the boat is a water transport. So, if there is no water, then no meaning of boat. So, put a tick mark here because water is needed. To knead a dough. Dough means atta gundhna. Okay, knead a dough means atta gundhna. So, we need water to knead a dough. To grow plants. See, we have learned in this poem also, and you also know that all the plants, the trees and crops can't grow without water. So, without water, the plants also can't grow. So, put a tick mark here. Now, understood everyone where in which activity water is needed and in which activity water is not needed. Thank you for joining us.